We're now at a computer that's hooked up to a 3D printer, and we're going to come up here to open up MakerBot. And MakerBot is going to be the program that prints our STL file. We created a dice. There's the platform we'll be printing on. But first, let's go get the dice we just created. I'm going to go to the internet. We are already logged on to Thingiverse, so I'm going to go to My Things, and the dice we just created right here, the demo dice, is right here. Of course, it's not complete because I didn't finish it, but that's the demo dice. Download it. Here it comes. I'm going to minimize, I can close this and minimize this, because what I'd like to do is open this up, the download, open up the file, and simply drag the dice right here, the STL file where it says dice, to the desktop. So dice STL is on the desktop. Now I'm done with this. I can minimize this or close it, and go back to my MakerBot print. Now to print on the 3D printer, we need to do this. Go to File, not a new project or open project. You're going to go down to Insert STL as Assembly. Boom. Now here's my desktop. I'm going to find my demo dice that I would have put on there. And our demo dice was called Dice STL. So I click that, open it, and it pops in right here. Very small. You can see the platform is actually this big, so see that's a very small dice. So we want to make it larger. So we come over here to this side, over here, and it's highlighted. See there, it's gone. Now it's highlighted. And I'm going to change the scale. I can change any scale. Usually about 3,000 in this case would work good. Hit enter, and now there it's larger, something that's more reasonable to print. I'm going to now roll up here to where it says Arrange. Click this. Click Arrange Project. It goes to the middle of the plate. Now I simply hit Print right here, and the 3D printer will heat up and start printing our dice.